Hey, what is up guys? This is Neil Ladores and welcome back to our channel. And today pag-uusapan natin top 3 investments that you won't regret. If that sounds interesting, let's get started. Now, the first investment that I think everyone should have, especially if you're in your 20s, is a Roth IRA. Now, basically it means an individual retirement account. Not only is it investing money tax-free, it also starts the ball rolling in investment in general. More like a snowball effect. Now, the way it works is that you put in money post-tax and the money grows tax-free. And if you decided to withdraw the money later on, then you will pay zero tax. You need to have an account for at least 5 years and you're at least 59.5 years old. It's legit the government helping you retire. The second investment is to invest in a really good laptop. Now you might be thinking, you might be wondering, why should you invest in a good laptop? This is a tool that actually helps you make money. And for a lot of people, this is something that would actually help you make income. I invested $1,000 in this MacBook Air and needless to say, it has been one of the best investments of my life. Now, it actually depends on what you do for a living, but I spend all of my time and everything that I do is with this laptop. I also think that you don't make any money with your laptop, but if you do get a better laptop, the chances of you following through your dreams, your goals, or your online business, or pushing through your online business is actually higher compared to if you're using a cheap one. A better laptop is going to be faster, it's going to be easier to your eyes, and it's going to make the working experience a lot easier and more luxurious. Now, there's a saying that the tools that you have to make money will affect the income that you will make. And I couldn't agree more, because think of it like buying a tool to cut tree. Would you rather buy an axe or buy a chainsaw? Now, definitely you would be able to cut down trees faster with a chainsaw. However, since I do know that funds can certainly be an issue, I do suggest to buy the tools with the money that you have, then upgrade later in life, later in time. Another thing to consider when buying a laptop is the resale value. Now, basically MacBooks or Apple products in general have a very good resale value, and you can probably sell this after you've used it for 2 or 3 years and the value would still be okay compared to other brands. But actually the whole point is to invest in the tools that will help you earn more money. The third investment that you should make in your 20s is to buy books or buy anything that is related to self-improvement or to your mindset. If you're like me and if you're young and you're in your 20s, you need to be buying books about self-improvement. If you're wondering what to buy first, or if you're wondering what to invest first, the safest way or the most sure way to invest is to buy books. I actually would not be able to start my financial journey if I weren't able to read Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It opened my eyes to all the possibilities in life and to everything that I have been missing in life. It's a really great book. Actually, I still have a ton of books. Ang dami kong books. I literally have brought a lot of books on board so that I can continue on reading books even though we are sailing or we are at sea, like this book from Francis Kong, Leadership Matters, from John Maxwell, Developing the Leader Within You, The Upstarts, Sign Off, Retire Rich and Early from Seafaring by Mick Jose, All That Matters, and so on and so forth. You need to buy books, you need to invest in books. And the only regret that you will have after you have bought books and you have read them is the regret that you did not buy them earlier. That is it for me today. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like, smash that like button, and comment down below on the topic that you want me to discuss next. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!